like it's because a nigga lost a lot. Many the cause I was dealt. When my soul cried, a nigga couldn't feel what I felt.
Alright guys, today I'll be showing you my C43 AMG. I had this for about, I'd say 8 to 10 months now. And it's been a lot of fun. Lots of interesting stories, a lot of interesting times. I'm gonna tell you guys why I first purchased this. I remember I actually manifested this car. I wanted this car for about like 3 years and I finally got it. I didn't even want this car when I was looking for cars though. I was looking for a C43, and then I ended up driving the C43 and I drove like a big boat. Like it didn't drive like, I love my handles when it comes to cars. And this car just handled so well. I remember I got into it and I put it in Sport Plus and I just floored it and it just did exactly what I wanted it to. And I remember the CLS63, when I test drove that car, I did not enjoy it as much as I enjoyed this. Like it has the power, but it also weighs a little more. So I didn't like it as much. It's a day in the life of being in Toronto. Cold as fuck. Freezing my limbs off. Pardon? Yeah, I heard you.
She kept on saying, homie, waiting on me. No, she was waiting on me. But I ain't changed, I played it cool, I knew that shit was phony. Raindrops, keep enemies close, but I can't hang with us. I'm the real definition of a hustler. All these niggas busters. JD a magician with the potty whipping cuss.
Yeah, that shit ain't to be played with, I can't lie. I know you guys heard that one, but the shit actually is crazy. I didn't even expect it to pull like that. That's the crazy part. The way this shit, watch. The handles on this motherfucker. What the fuck, bro? Oh my lord. There's a lot of things that I like about this car. So it has autopilot, right? Which I love, because on long drives, I put it in autopilot and I just play my music and I just drive. You know what I mean? I just chill out. It has sport, it has comfort, it has eco. So right here there's dynamic, and you go over here and go sport plus, and then comfort, and then eco. And another reason that I first purchased this car, I remember when I hopped in, like I never had a Mercedes before, so I hopped in and I just look at this part. Like I don't know if you guys could like tell, but like you hop in and you just look at this and you're like, oh my god. But then like it was this mainly that really got me. It was mainly this, and then just the stitching right here, the suede, just I don't know, all the little things I think just kind of just got me. Behind, should I make that gap? I'm making fucking.
Go down to web hosting plans.
In there somewhere. I was 20 when I got this car. I'm 21 now. I'm gonna tell you the perks of having a car like this. So when it comes to business, a lot of people are more willing to speak to you. Like I've had a lot of older people be a little more open and just have conversations with me. A lot of people also on the road, they respect you. Like I don't know, explain. Like I've driven old cars on the road, but nice cars, it's like they just let you in. It's also because they don't want their insurance to get affected, I guess, if they do hit you or some bullshit. But yeah, no, it has a lot of perks when it comes to like business, when it comes to people respecting you, when it comes to girls. It comes to a lot of stuff, to be honest. It's just beneficial to have a nicer car. So I'd say definitely try to get yourself a nicer car if you're younger, like you're around 19, 20, 21. Don't break the bank, but you know, just get yourself something nice. And don't get yourself something too loud. I realize like loud cars are just ratchet. Like they're just like, they're nice, yes, but they're just so like not classy that it's just like, you know, it's just I don't know. Yeah, no, I'm gonna show you how this car drives, and I'm gonna show you everything in general. So right now I have 61 kilometers. I haven't filled up. How many kilometers have I put on this car? Let me see. I got it at 54,000, so I put 23 on it. That's not bad. Not bad at all. So let's put it in comfort right now. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but yeah, this is also how you move the seats. So you move certain parts of the seats. My seatbelt. Hold on. I don't like wearing my seatbelt in the nighttime. Also, certain parts of the car, like the ambient lighting turns on. Let's hit this right up here. This is still in comfort. I know you guys hear that exhaust. Okay. Let me put it in sport mode for you guys. me this shit isn't crazy. I don't know if you guys heard that little burp or that. What the fuck? I'm fucking this car up. What's this? Oh yeah, doesn't sound like a fucking supercar, bro. What the fuck? Comfort, you don't feel like, you barely feel like any bumps and stuff. Sport mode is when it flies and put in sport mode. See if you guys can hear it. I'm comfort. Can't really feel comfort. Alright, should I make that gap? I'm making fun.
Go down to web hosting plans.
In there, swimwear.
Great for busy business. Point of sale. Elevate your e-commerce strategy. Streamline operations and increase sales. So get your business ready for the future of retail today and switch to Shopify Point of Sale. Sign up for a free trial
You
today.
guys hear it? You guys hear it moaning? I swear to God. This car literally moans. Look at what speed I'm gonna hug this turn at, okay? To 70. I can hug it at like 1. Like literally, that hugs it so well. When you get a luxury car, like a BMW or an Audi or Mercedes, you want to get it low kilometers, and you want to get a newer year. You don't want to get the older ones with higher kilometers, because those are going to tend to give you a lot of issues. I've had like a lot of cars that are older. Like for example, like you get like a 3 Series BMW that's like a 2008. They're cheap, they're not reliable anymore, and their parts are expensive as shit, and their engine's leaking oil, and it's about to blow on you. Like the amount of times I've been so scared where cars have literally just like shut down on me. Fuck. You see what happens is there's owners like me at 70k which abuse the car, and then you get the car like relax, and then yeah, you get the car at like 150, 160, 200. You think you got yourself a nice car. Oh my god, she's like a girl that you're trying to save from the streets. You don't want to do that. Don't be that guy. So guys, this is gonna be end of our little trip. I'm gonna show you guys the exterior. I'm gonna show you guys the outside of the car. I'm gonna show you the little tips and tricks that this car has. But I would also say, if you're gonna get this car, you have to be ready to pay insurance, like a hefty price on insurance, and you're gonna have to be ready to pay oh shit, did I go on the wrong side? I think I did, right? I did, didn't I? No, wait, did I? Yeah, I did. Fuck. Let me get in there, buddy. Oh, be nice, please, just let me in. Don't be rude, Just be nice. Thank you. Dickhead. Don't be a little dickhead. Thank you. You dickhead, why the fuck are you being a dickhead, bro? I'm gonna just cut him off the lights. Dumb way. I'm about to show you the exterior of the car real quick. Hold on, show you. This is so dangerous. Oh my god. This car is literally doing front leaps every single time.
Why is it?
You guys can't, because it's in Sport Plus. You need to hold down the accelerator when you're flying it. Sport Plus. She's a little mad right now. She's making all type of noises. I don't think she's too happy. Oh, it's still in drive. Put it in park for 1 second. I'll show you guys.
No.
So look, I press this, right? That's to open the trunk. This is one of the coolest things. Like, I know it's just a newer car or whatever, but basically, when you close the trunk, you gotta press this button. You don't close the trunk properly. Yeah. Look at that shit. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. It's just so beautiful. So money buys you. And that's just on a lower level. AMG C43. And I got this at 20. I hate expenses because it's really expensive. It's really expensive. I don't know if you guys want to handle the expenses because it's made me sad sometimes. But at the same time, it's also kind of worth it because look what. You put it in sport mode, right? You put it in sport mode. Or matter of fact, I'm putting in sport plus for you guys just so you guys understand why like the pain of like the dollars is worth it. This guy up there might pay. I don't think I was supposed to do that, guys. I was not supposed to do that. Was it worth it? Yeah. Was I supposed to do it? Nope. Fuck, I hope you're not making me watches. I'm gonna snitch on me. Go, 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 go. Go, buddy. Yeah. Okay, Sport Plus is a little wild, can't lie. But this car is worth it. Honest to God, it's worth it because you have a lot of fun. Sometimes the fun is worth it, especially when you're young. I tell everybody all the time, the only time you can really have fun in a car is when you're young. So you gotta do it right now. It hit different, right? It hit different. Shit, different, okay? Straight happiness. This is the only thing that keeps me happy in life right now. Just cars. Horsepower, exhaust, and cars. Just go vroom vroom. Nice smile. Cutting up too. The adrenaline of like cutting up. Another thing about this car is the old white people, they just stare at me. They stare at me like they're so mad. In their neighborhood, or I'm at the gas station, they just look at me and they just like this. They just look at me like this. And then I just, guess what I do to them? Guess what I do? You know what it is? You gotta take care of these cars though. You don't do oil changes and you don't need maintenance and stuff. It's gonna break down on you and you don't want that. You don't want that at all. Alright, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be uploading here consistently 3 times a week. All type of videos. You guys are gonna really enjoy them. So like the video, comment, share it to all your friends. All your friends who also want Beamers and Benzes and Audis. Let me know if you guys want to see more car content because I swear to God this is fun. I could do this shit all day.
Remember I was broke, that was back then. Now I get it in for the back end. Close circle, we ain't fucking with the new friends. So 10 chopper hit him cause he boosting. Fuck around, double back for the free throw. Like a gamma, gotta play it like a CeeLo.